Hi, friends. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And I hope you all are doing well and are keeping safe. Friends, today I have a new video for you, which is going to be a video for students. What is coming up for students now and regarding their career path. So, let's begin. Right. Let's see your cards. Right, friends. So, regarding your career, what I can see is that right now you are very, very tensed regarding what is going to happen. There are certain blockages in your career, and you don't know what to do. There's this sense of hopelessness and helplessness that is showing. So your present is a little you are getting a little emotional regarding your career, and there's a lot of confusion. You don't really know what to do, you don't really know where to go. But I can also see that there is travel coming, so maybe there is some kind of travel on the horizon where your job is concerned. There is You probably have a proposal where which requires you to travel to a different city or to a different country where your career is concerned, where your job is concerned. I can see that that will be really fruitful for you. Some of you plan to get into a business, maybe an import export business, or some kind of business which has international connections. I see there is a lot of change coming for you. First of all, guys, this whole situation of hopelessness and helplessness and all these blockages that are coming in your way right now, that is going to go away. That's going to vanish very soon. I can say in another 3 days or 3 weeks you might get some kind of a call or some kind of a proposal that is coming your way for a venture. Some of you might just want to start up your own business. I can see that there is this energy of you starting up your own business. So there is a very high chance, and that will you are probably confused because one, you don't want to travel or go to another country or another city. You don't want to leave your family. And second, you are confused for those who want to start up their own business or a startup, so to say. So I feel that there is confusion, but that confusion, the confusion clouds are going to move away very soon. And this, with the Sun card, I feel you'll be able to see very, very clearly as to what is going to come for you. You can give this a week's time, guys. This will definitely, this coming week is going to bring you a lot of clarity and a lot of solutions. There is a lot of solutions that are coming your way, and there is something new that is coming up for you. Right now, the cards are telling me that you should take the risk. You should go with your intuition, follow your intuition, and there is going to be some kind of positive improvement that is coming your way. I can see a lot of travel happening, and for those of you who had invested some kind of money in the past, that investment is paying off now, or you might just get an interest or a premium or something. Some kind of investment I see is coming through. A policy may be maturing or something like that, which you can then use in your startup. I see you getting financial help as well. Financial help is also coming. And these two cards basically tell me that there is a lot of international connection over here. So maybe some of you are flying abroad, and I think that will, for a job, and that will bring you a lot of success. I see some of you changing your residence. Obviously, if you're moving or if you're changing the city, you will have to change your residence, right? So there are a lot of meetings that are coming up. A lot of you are seeking a lot of guidance, a lot of suggestions, a lot of advice from elderly people, especially your parents. I can see two parent cards, and I think they are very good suggestions. You should take the risk. There is a fresh start in this whole spread of cards. The risk is worth taking, guys. I think you should take the risk. Whatever is coming your way, whatever you are thinking, whatever the confusion is all about, firstly clear the confusion. That clarity is coming for you. There are solutions. There may be another job opportunity that is coming for you. If you're not happy with your current job, there is a new job that is coming for you, and that is going to bring you a lot of success and abundance. There is a fresh start that is happening. You have to be a little more flexible. Right now, I see some of you are being very stubborn, very obstinate, where regarding your career is concerned, or where regarding your job is concerned. You have to be a little more flexible, a little more unconventional, because if you don't take that kind of risk, if you don't materialize the ideas that you have, I don't see you succeeding in whatever you want to materialize, whatever it is that you want to, where you want to go, where your career is concerned. So you have to be very, very spontaneous, you have to be enthusiastic, and you need to take that leap of faith. If that leap of faith is there, I think you should go for it, and you will definitely be successful. This reading is telling me that you have to make those changes. Those changes are coming for you. The door is opening for you. You just have to open the door and step forward. Whatever it is that where your career is going, there are new ideas that you want to materialize. I think you should do that. You are being very creative at the moment, and you should materialize those creative ideas. Now is the time. The cards are saying now is the time, and whatever you wish regarding your career is coming true. Maybe a job that you always wanted, and you were not getting for such a long time, maybe you get a call from that place. There is a lot of changes, guys. There is a lot of changes. The job that you wanted, you will get probably in a month's time, I would say. So yeah, I think you should, maybe next month is a very good time for you people. The coming month is going to be very important. The coming month, you are going to gain that kind of confidence where your career is concerned. You will know exactly what to do and how to do it, right? Let's see your tarot cards. I hope you can see the cards, guys. So, guys, these cards are also telling the same thing. Right now, you need to move on from this negativity and from all this toxicity that is around you, especially where your mentality is concerned. Right now, you're very indecisive. You don't know what to do. Like I told you, there is no clarity that is coming for you. That clarity will definitely come, guys, but you need to move on from that. You are disappointed with life, you don't know what to do. The money, for those of you who have money or material issues on their mind, you need to move on. There will definitely be some kind of a reprieve or a relief that is coming your way. You need to be a little more positive. And for students are obviously the most affected, in this pandemic situation right now. They are very, very confused. They don't know what to do. They don't really know how to go forward. But for students, guys, you just need to be a little more patient. You need to be patient and you need to move on. Like the Eight of Cups, you have a lot in your favor right now. But like the Eight of Cups, this particular picture tells us that there are 8 cups, but this man wants all the 10 cups. So for you guys, you need to wake up and you need to move on and you go get those remaining 2 cups. There are 8 cups. You feel something is missing, but you need to follow. You have the ideas, you have the courage, you have the motivation, but you need to just go and get the remaining 2 cups. You have 8 cups with you. You just need to go get those 2 cups and make them 10 cups. So you need to move on. You have to give yourself that courage and give yourself that pep talk. You are very indecisive, but then, considering the situation, you don't know what to do, what is going to happen. Should you start something new or should you wait? Friends, I would say that a breakthrough is coming with the Ace of Swords. You will be able to make the right decision. You will have to communicate your wishes and your desires, and I feel you people should seek some kind of counsel. You should Ask somebody for guidance, somebody who's more experienced and somebody who's more uh, relatively elder to you, so they will be able to give you some guidance. Opportunities are coming your way. There are opportunities that are coming, so you don't have to be hopeless about the whole situation. You just need to be a little more patient and be a little more positive so that these opportunities can reach you. There are opportunities that are coming, rewards to come. This is a period of profitable new opportunities and prosperous activities, rewards to come. And then there is the freedom card. Like I said, that guys, you might have to take a trip abroad. Most of you will be traveling. There are new adventures on the horizon. There is something new that is coming for you people, where your career is concerned, where your studies are concerned. You will know, you will get that kind of clarity when when the time is right. You just have to be a little more patient. There is going to be a breakthrough. With the Ace of Swords, there is going to be breakthrough. Let's see your oracle cards. Let's see what the oracle cards have to say. What is coming next? I see a lot of new beginnings, guys. A lot of new beginnings are coming your way. You just have to keep that faith in yourself. The universe is giving you new beginnings. It is telling you that now is the time to materialize, to execute what ideas you had or what you need to do in your life or your career. Now is the time. And very soon, act on the opportunity that's before you and commit to it without equivocation. There is an opportunity coming, guys. The opportunity is coming for you. You must take it. The universe is giving you a green signal that you must take this opportunity. Let's see what else do the cards have to say. Let yourself stand out and be noticed. Guys, take that decision, take that leap of faith. It is worth it. It is totally worth it. You will stand out. You will get what you want. Take time to rest and recuperate rather than continuing your striving. Take the time rather than mentally confusing yourself even more. I think you should take the time to just give yourself a break. Think positive and you will be able to see clearly what is coming for you. It is time that the breakthrough is coming for you. With this breakthrough card, I see that you will be able to see clearly. You will be able to see past your obstacles. You will have to surmount this mountain, and you will have the opportunity to surmount this mountain. You will climb it. You will climb it. The Sun card is coming, guys. There are two Ace cards. I mean, what can be better than this positive reading? The Sun is saying that you are going to have fame, you are going to have fortune, you are going to have abundance. The confidence is coming. First, where you didn't have the confidence, now you have the confidence, and that kind of confidence is coming to you. Opportunities are coming for you. So guys, I suggest that you be positive. Things are looking up for you. The cards, the universe, the energies, the spirit is telling me that you don't have to be negative and bogged down about the situation right now. Just be positive, and definitely there are more opportunities coming for you. Something new is starting. Maybe you start something new of your own, or a new opportunity is coming. But don't give up hope. Don't give up hope, guys. Right? And all the best to all of you. Please do let me know about the reading, and if something comes up for you, some wish materializes or your wish is coming true, please do let me know when you do. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next reading. Bye.